Okay, good morning. This is a second try for something I wanted to show you. Now, most of you, if you have been paying attention to our training, should have this first page of 22 Social. You can have one tab for free, and Franco showed a really good video in the group that explains how to clone it, so I'm not going to go over that because you should know how to do it from looking at his video, but I want to share something else that's really cool that I hopefully can make it do it as soon as it populates the actual page for me here. It takes a moment for it to come up sometimes. Especially there's a lot of content on here. There's a huge chat window and of course a live video. And so I'm not going to go all the way down through, but as you know, if you looked at this page at all, I'll see if I can get down there without having a real hard time getting back up. If you go down to the bottom and look, you will see that there are several content areas. It's just now populating the video, but if you'll look, you'll see, let's look a little further down. There's 3 content areas on the bottom here, which you really actually should be able to edit to make it anything you want. And if it does not edit for me today, I'm going to go ahead and contact 22 Social because it's supposed to let me. And so I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to show you where you would change those things so that it will allow you to edit those 3 little portions of. So you don't want to edit the video itself, you want to edit the area below the video. So that it's almost hidden, but what you do is right next to these orange buttons, there's this funny little button right here that has kind of, looks like it has a broadcast symbol on it. So if you click it, it's going to open up some brand new areas inside of the 22 Social. It'll take a moment to open it, but here it comes. And it's going to actually show you the feed and everything that comes with the feed. And so, cut it out. So I'm going to come down here and show you what you would see if you go down here. So what we want to do is we want to leave the top, we want to leave the fan pages, all the headline, we want to leave the featured area, which is this video, all alone. But what we do want to do is we want to unclick these 2 places here, as well as you could actually put info on the bottom as well, but he didn't, so it's probably not going to show. So I unclicked the content area, and I want to leave the comment stream in there too, because this is still going to stream in Franco's video when he does any new Hangouts, and the one he currently has in there. So you don't want to change that. So now I've got that unchecked, and it's very important to go in here and click this save button right here, and you save it. It's going to tell you these changes will force it to reload. Yes, we want it to reload. So it's going to take a minute to do that. So it should still show the video on the top, but it's now going to give me the option of being able to change those areas down below. And I'll keep you posted on how we do, because I don't want to run this too long.